Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to install Angry Birds Epic on iOS without a PC and for free and without revoke and blacklist. And if you have any doubts on how to install Angry Birds Epic, then feel free to join my Discord server. And before going into the video, let's check if Angry Birds Epic works. I have installed a mod of Angry Birds Epic. This mod gives more features to the game, and it also has events. There is a mod which allows you to fight as a pig, and it also has a different storyline with different abilities. If you want to download these mods, then you can get a tutorial video on how to download it in the pinned comment. Also, you can play the game horizontally, but it got converted to vertical when editing the video. Here you can see that Chuck attacks multiple times to a single enemy, but Red attacks every single enemy. Now let's go install the game with Esign. Before installing the app, make sure to restart your iPhone and also restart your iPhone before installing any apps on Esign. I didn't restart cause I can't record if I do so. Once you're done restarting, make sure to turn on airplane mode. This makes you extra safe from being blacklisted. When you are not using Esign, you can turn off airplane mode. Now go to Settings. Then go to General. And then go to Background App Refresh. Make sure it's turned onto Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go to Safari. And go to this website. Scroll down and click on Install DNS Profile. Click on Allow. Now go to Settings. Click on Profile Downloaded. Click on Install again. Now go to Safari. Click on Download Certificate. Click on Download. Out of all these links, you choose which one works for you, and only click on the Esign links. If the link doesn't work, it will look like this. This link doesn't work for me. Let's try a different link. If the link works, it will look like this. Now you will have to trust the app. Now go to Settings. Go to General. Click on VPN and Device Management. Click on the Enterprise app. Click on Trust. Click on Allow and Restart. I can't show my restart because I can't record if I do so. So I had to cut the video. Now go to Esign. Click on OK. Now click on Agree. Now go to Settings. Click on Get Device Muted. Click on Allow. Go to Settings. Click on Profile Downloaded. Click on Install. Click on Install again. Click on Import Resource. Now go to Files. Click on the file to extract it. Now click on the file you used to download Esign before. Now go to Esign. Now click on the file you used to download Esign before. For me, it's HDFC Bank. Click on Import. Now go to Files. Click on the file. Click on Import Certificate Management. Now go to this website. I will give the link to the website in the pinned comment. Click on this link. Click on Download. Click here. Click on Downloads. Now wait for it to download. Let me speed it up. Click on the file. Click on the Share button. Click on Save to Files. Click on Save. Click on Done. Now go back to Esign. Now we are ready to download IPA files on this iPhone. Click on the three dots. Click on Import. Select the file you want to install. For me, it would be Angry Birds Epic. Click on Import. Go to Apps section. Click on the app. Click on Signature. Click on Signature again. Click on Install. Now wait for the game to install. After installing the game, if you want to save your progress, then connect to Facebook or Game Center. Also, don't use VPN if you need to use it, then check the pinned comment. Also, the apps don't update by themselves, so you would have to update it by installing the app again with a updated IPA file. If you aren't able to install Esign or have any doubts, then feel free to join my Discord server and ask me. You can also try to install Esign, which is an Esign alternative. You can find a video on how to install it in the pinned comment. Now let's check if the app works or not. We can see that the app works completely fine. And this app is normal Angry Birds Epic, which does not have any events. If you are willing to have access to events, then you will have to check the pinned comment. The step only takes 2 minutes. You will have many mods to choose from, and you can have 3, 4 or even more mods at the same time. The mods will give you more outfits. It will receive updates, and some mods will have harder and more challenging levels. The card will cave will also be extended for the mods. Now that I am done explaining about the mods, enjoy my video. And make sure to subscribe to me so that you will be notified if there is any problem or change in the steps of installing Angry Birds Epic.